Welcome to San Diego Market Movers. I'm your host, Valley, and I'm here with our friend, John Lieber. Welcome back.
Valley, so good to be here. Thank you.
Okay, so we really want to understand what is going on in the real estate market. We're heading into fall. What's going on?
The market's awesome. We're all going to get rich. No, it's such a strange market, as we've seen for the last, I don't know, since COVID, really. We've just seen things happening that shouldn't be happening. But I think we're getting to where it's everyone's adjusted to, hey, we've got 7% interest rates right now, give or take, and home prices are still high. And you've still got this trend of, fewer than 3,000 homes on the market, which include homes, condos, townhouses, mobile homes, every type of, single family property you can think of. We've had this extended run of fewer than 3,000 homes in the market, and you've got enough buyers out there that they're buying them up like crazy. Mm-hmm. So I for one didn't think we'd be in this position after rates started really going up last year, but most of what I'm seeing now is people coming in with big down payments, and they're able to buy, and there's still more buyer demand than there are sellers willing to sell.
Do you see the tide turning where there's going to be more homes on the market ever? I mean, anytime soon?
The big problem that we all know is you got so many people with 2 to 3% interest rates. Mm-hmm. So, you're always going to have that percentage that are either willing or have to make a move. But for a lot of us out there, myself included, it's hard to give up that 2.5% rate. Mm-hmm. So I think if rates actually come down to where there may be, say we get into the mid fives, I think something like that will open things up, and all of a sudden you've got more sellers that are willing to sell their property, but then you're probably adding that many new buyers as well. Mm-hmm. So it's hard to see that balance shifting back unless something major happens and people just, I don't know what that might be.
Yeah.
I don't see a shift into a buyer's market anytime that soon in San Diego.
Well, traditionally we see during an election year that rates come down a little bit.
Yeah.
So I'm hopeful that may happen again. And if you think maybe a 5.5, we're pretty close. I mean, we're almost there. We're getting.
Yeah.
I mean, it's possible. It's within reach that they could do it.
Yeah, it would be. It would be great, because I know there's a lot of agents and people just struggling along. When you've got half the homes that you normally have for mm-hmm. sale, there's half the people that aren't working and mm-hmm. selling something. So there's a struggle there, and it's not to get too far off topic here, but to see the Fed continue to raise interest rates, boy, it's killed the sales volume in real estate, and that's it's hitting us the hardest. Mm-hmm. So I really do hope we can kind of see things pull back some with interest rates and mm-hmm. and increase volume again.
I did read something that said they raised the interest rate, the Fed funds rate, 11 times since last year, since they started it. And I think our 2008 crash, they raised it 17 times. And that 17th time is when we really saw that big bank failure and all the things. And so 11 times, it seems like we're economically, we're pretty strong, but you never know what it takes to really just change
There's
things
still so
quickly.
Much good going on. Yeah. And it's, you keep trying to cool off this economy, but it's been so resilient, and I hope they don't just completely kill it, because it's, all in all, I'm happy with how things are.
Yeah. But you'll still be around selling real estate, right? Because you're a survivor and you've rode the waves of all the market. So if anybody has the experience and knowledge to get through any transitioning market, it's you.
Yeah, thank you very much for saying that.
Yeah, of course. You're a great leader in our community, so I appreciate it. Thanks for your insight.
Yeah, thanks for having me on today.
All righty. Thanks, guys.